Hey Kayla, how's Hawaii going? I hope you're having fun on vacation. Anyways, today I'm expecting a letter from the dating website I signed up for with the clues to my one true love. Grant and I are going around town later to see if we can find him with these clues. Best regards, Kat.
I'm jealous, I'm overzealous. When I'm down, I get real down. When I'm high, I don't come down. I get angry, baby, believe me. I can love you just like that, and I can leave you just as fast. But you don't.
Like, are you sure you want to meet this guy?
Yes, oh my god, I'm so excited. I wonder what he's gonna be like.
He's like a random person.
No, what if he's like tall, like brunettes and like blue eyes? Yes.
You not see how sketchy this is?
No, it's fine. Everything's fine. Don't you have an account on this website?
Well, that's just for research.
Researching what?
Science?
What kind of science is that?
Well, okay, we're here anyway. It doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
What now?
We wait.
Wait?
Yeah, waiting's...
It's kind of boring.
What? No, waiting's fun.
We gotta have some fun while
What
we
do
wait.
you mean? This is fun.
Like, those dinosaurs over there, those look like fun. Those look like little toys.
They're too big. No,
We're gonna have some fun.
Oh my god, what if he comes?
I swear it'll be fun. It'll be so
Know you
much
always
fun. I swear.
right. Now no one needs you around with me, but nobody been around with me. Been through the ups and the downs with me. Got a whole lot of love, but you don't wanna spread it around with me. Yeah, never pick up, never call me. You know we're running out of time. Never pick up when you want me.
Alright, let's just go to the next location. Let's get on. Alright, see the clues I want to put in the right place?
You know, I'm gonna go to the back.
Wait, you're not even gonna stay?
Yeah,
Wait, boy, you're just gonna leave? About time you get here.
Find anybody?
No, I don't see anyone here. Should probably just go to the next group.
Okay.
Alright.
If I had only seen how you smile when you flirt, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would've
So do you want anything?
It says my soulmate loves to chill at Dairy Queen. I hope this is the right
Do you want me to order you
Just
something?
order me whatever, I don't care. It doesn't matter.
She'll have the Oreo Blizzard.
And what would you like? It says his favorite thing to order here is
I'll
the
have the pineapple blizzard.